So I totally forgot to film an intro. I'm literally like about to walk outside of the house and I was like, oh crap, forgot to film an intro. Today we were supposed to go to the circus because Mason is like obsessed with, well, mommy is obsessed with the movie Greatest Showman, which means Mason is too. I have a baby in my lap, by the way. We were supposed to go to the circus today. Like, the weather's really crappy, and as most of you know, the circus is outside underneath just like a tent. And Zed's getting over a cold / fever, so we just decided that the circus always comes to town, so we're just gonna sit this one out and like save money for something else later on down the road. I took that opportunity to do this circus / Greatest Showman inspired makeup tutorial. It's really red and really like blazed out, and then like this glitter is like, oh my goodness, it like reflects whatever, it's called white gold, and it like reflects whatever color you put it on top of, and it's so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go before he breaks all my makeup on my vanity. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start off by taking the Elouise base in the shade number 5 and just packing that all over the lid and making sure it gets really in there and it's tightly packed because we don't want no creasing. Then taking the Bay EYN BRIGHT eyeshadow palette, we're taking Hot Stuff, and I'm just packing that into my crease, starting off by just dabbing it and then eventually starting to blend it up and out because we want this look real fiery and real hot.
Cause I hate how I can fall in love just because she got a blank now. I'ma fill it up with my name and my link. What you think? Every nigga hit your line. Best believe they hear me sing. Now they hook, they run my stream. Now they look, I got nice things. I take them back, they buy my bling. And that fur coat for my queen.
And now with the shade Tutti Frutti, I'm just going on top of that first shade and blending it out so that top line isn't so harsh and so that it all fuses together. Now I am going in with Head Over Heels, and I'm just going to bring that in a little bit more and then blend it into the crease because we want to mix a bunch of reds. Now I'm going into the red shade in the James Charles palette just to make sure that red is as red as it can get. I just wanted to build it and build it up because I wanted it to be like blood red. Now I am repeating my steps with each brush because sometimes during blending colors can get lost, so I just wanted to go back in with each brush and make sure that every color popped.
When I got me on standby, cause he kept you by my side like a soldier. We gon' ride off into the night. I'm your knight. We gon' shine.
Now going in with my Plousie Basic Brights in the red shade, I'm just going to use that to pack that all over my lid and cut my crease. Going back into that EYN BRIGHT palette, I'm going to take the shade Cherry Aid and I'm going to pack that all on top of that red pigment I just used. Okay, this is by far the best part of the video. Taking my JLARUE Cosmetics and my NYX glitter primer, I'm gonna put that primer all over my lid on top of that red shade, and then I'm going to go in with that JLARUE Cosmetics. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys, it's insane. I am so happy I found this, and I just found it on Instagram as a little, like one of those little Instagram ads that pop up. And they also have the chunky glitter like pigment, so definitely go check them out if that's something you're like super into. So I'm packing that all onto that Cherry Aid shade that I had put down, but I'm also making sure to like fan it out a little bit so you can still see the red underneath. So taking my Estee Lauder Double foundation, I'm just going to use my Real Technique, oh my goodness, Mason behind me, my Real Technique beauty blender to just pack that in all over my face. I love this foundation so much because it's so full coverage. I live for it. So now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm using that to contour. And I'm sorry, this is a voiceover, guys. I didn't want it to be, but as you can clearly see in the video, there's absolutely no way that my house was quiet enough to do a chit chat get ready with me. It just was not gonna happen. So taking that Real Technique sponge again, I'm just going to blend that concealer into my eyes and make sure that I really get in there. I love taking my time on this part because I really love to just make sure it's all packed in there and that there's no creasing or anything. So I'm taking my Beauty Bakerie flour in yellow and I'm just going to pack that into my skin. I'm more of a packer instead of a baker because I just really want my skin to absorb the powder rather than just let it sit on top of my face. But if I am going in with like intense colors on my bottom eyelid, I will put a little bit of powder down just to be able to catch the fallout when I'm done. Going in with that Hot Stuff color, I'm just going to blend that into my lower lid, and then I'm going to go in with Heat Wave, and I'm going to use that to tightline and blend into that Hot Stuff shade. So now going in with a powder brush, I'm just sweeping away that powder underneath and all that fallout. And I really work this part because I don't want any flashback and I don't want to look too pale. So I make sure I get everything I can see. Even when I can't see it anymore, I'm still brushing away to make sure there's nothing there. And then I also go in with the foundation powder, guys. A lot of people aren't using foundation powders anymore. And I'm like, well, that's why there's a flashback problem. But I'm going in with NW45 by MAC and I'm just packing that all over my face. And this really helps bring some color and complexion back into my face after using all of that powder. Now going into my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, I'm just going to go ahead and brighten up. And then I'm going to brighten up the center of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, and my chin as well. Now going into the contour shade, I'm just going to use that to bronze up and make sure I really look all chiseled and snatched.
We gon' ride off into the night. I'm your knight. We gon' shine like a weapon when I'm with you. We don't have no fear, and I will boop 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 if a nigga ever dare. Yeah, if you dare. Right now, right now. Go. When the right time, got a white crowd. She bout the right pounds. I might stay around. I'll tell you right now. You can't think about it for the right.
So instead of going in with a powder, like a baking powder, I go in with that brightening shade, and that's what I use to go underneath and cut and clean up that bronzer. So now going into that highlight shade from that same palette, I'm going to go ahead and put that on the places where we put the first brightening shade. And then go in with a beauty blender and pack all that into my face. Now I'm taking Rose Dior by Milani. It's one of my favorite blushes by them, and I'm just using that as a blush and blending that into my contour. Now taking Jeffree Star's King Tut, I'm going to apply that to my inner corner, and I'm also going to make it my underbrow highlight. Did I say that right? My brow highlight, whatever. And then taking the brush I used for that Tutti Frutti color, I'm just going to use that to blend the eyeshadow into my highlight so it doesn't look too harsh. So I went ahead and applied some eyelashes, mascara, and eyeliner, and now I'm going in with King Tut again, and I'm going to use that as my highlight, and then I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's Diamond Bomb, and I'm going to place that right on top of that King Tut.
My stream. Now they look, I got nice things. I take them back, they buy my bling. And I fur coat for my queen. So in the end, you did your thing. Only difference is I'm the one that's living out your dream. Shorty, wait down, coming right now. You looking like wow. Now we date out. In the right time, got a white crowd. She bought the right pounds. I might stay around. I'll tell you right now. You can't think about it for the right cloud.
So going in with my Too Faced Peach Mist Setting Spray, I'm just going to drench my face in that because I want my skin to soak everything up so that my makeup looks like skin.
having me weak.
Taking a NYX brown lip liner, I'm going to use that to line my lips, and I'm also going to use it to fill my lips in. And then I'm going to take Jupiter by MAC, and I'm going to place that all over my lips, and then I'm just going to take just a regular clear old lip gloss and put that right on top of my lips.
Like a weapon when I'm with you, we don't have no fear, and I will boop 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 if a nigga ever dare. Yeah, if he dares. Right now, right now,
So that's the finished look. Thanks so much for watching for those who watched, and I will see you guys next time. This was so much fun. Bye.
She got a nice smile.